Perrie Edwards is rushed to the hospital right before a Little Mix performance. This episode is brought to you by T-Mobile. Now Netflix is included. Another reason why T-Mobile is America's best unlimited network. Switch today. Perrie was unable to perform this weekend, but thankfully she's okay now. Little Mix had to perform with one less band member this Saturday because of a reported medical concern with Perrie Edwards. Perrie was at the festival with the band on Friday, but a rep told the Daily Mail, quote, Perrie was taken ill overnight and had to go to the hospital with a gastric problem. The actual festival confirmed this news, tweeting, "We just found out our girl Perrie Edwards is sick. Get better soon. We miss you." The rest of Little Mix, Jade, Leigh-Ann, and Jesy, addressed the crowd and told them the news right before their performance.
So as you can see, we're one missing. Our little Periwinkle isn't feeling very well, so she couldn't join us today. But that means that you guys have to be extra loud for us and sing along, okay? Can you do that?
But don't worry guys, Perrie is thankfully A-okay and out of the hospital and now recovering at home, and recently issued a statement on the band's Instagram account saying, "Hello beautiful babas, I'm out of the hospital, in my own bed and on the mend. Thanks to Mother Goose, Nurse Sam, and Dr. Hatchi, I should be fine in no time. Sorry to have let you all down. I would never want to miss anything, but sometimes you have to listen to those who know best, and I wasn't fit to perform. Thank you to the lovely doctors and nurses at Sunrise Hospital in Vegas for looking after me." All right, it is now time for all of you guys to weigh in. Share your well wishes for Perrie right down here in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Clevver News. I'm your host, Naz Perez, and I'll see you next time. And then click to the left to see what Scooter Braun said about Justin Bieber canceling his tour. This episode is brought to you by T-Mobile. Now T-Mobile family plans include Netflix at no extra charge. Just another reason why T-Mobile is America's best unlimited network.